Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Bing from Chrome and set Google as your default search engine instead. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust everything from your home page to your privacy preferences. This is the control center for your entire browsing experience. Once you're on the settings page, navigate to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Click on Search Engine from this menu. This section is specifically designed to let you control which search engine Chrome uses when you type queries into the address bar, making it essential for customizing your browsing experience. Now you'll be able to see your current search engine displayed prominently on the page. If it shows Microsoft Bing as your default, don't worry, we're about to change that. Look for the Change button right beside your current search engine and click on it. A list of available search engines will appear. Select Google from the list and then click Set as Default. This immediately switches your default search behavior back to Google, so all your searches will now go through Google instead of Bing. Next, scroll down slightly and click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens up a more detailed view of all the search engines that Chrome has stored, including ones you might not even be using. This is where you can fully remove Bing from your browser entirely. In this section, scan through the list until you find Microsoft Bing. Once you've located it, click on the three vertical dots that appear beside it. These dots represent additional options for managing this particular search engine. From the small menu that pops up, click on Delete. This action will prompt Chrome to ask for confirmation before removing Bing completely from your browser. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete this search engine. Simply click Delete one more time to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully removed Bing from Chrome and restored Google as your default search engine. Your browser will now use Google for all searches, and Bing won't interfere anymore. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.